In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number to your Gmail account. Whether you're looking to enhance your account's security or make password recovery easier, adding a phone number can be a vital step. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to have your computer or smartphone at the ready and ensure you have access to your Gmail account. Once you've done that, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, simply type "How to add a phone number to Gmail" and hit enter, which should lead you to several helpful resources, including the page you'll need for this process. When you have the right page open, begin by logging into your Gmail account using your existing credentials. Remember, it's always a good idea to ensure you're on a secure network when accessing personal accounts to protect your privacy. Once logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a small circle icon, which could be your profile picture or your account's initials. Click on that icon and then select Manage Your Google Account from the drop-down menu. After you've entered the account management page, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Look for the tab labeled Personal Info and click on it. This section contains all the personal details associated with your account, including your current phone numbers, if any. Scroll down until you find the Contact Info box. Here, you'll see the option to either edit or add a phone number. Click on it to continue. At this stage, you might be prompted to re-enter your password for security purposes. Enter your password and proceed. Now, you'll have the option to either add a new phone number or make changes to an existing one. Click on the Add Phone Number option and type in your number. Be sure to double-check the digits to avoid any mistakes that could later cause inconvenience. Google might now ask you to verify your phone number. To complete the verification process, you'll receive a text message containing a code. Once you get the message, enter the code as instructed on your screen and click Verify. Once verified, you're all set. Your phone number has been successfully added to your Gmail account. This will not only simplify recovery options in case you forget your password, but also provide added security by allowing two-step verification. Thank you for joining me today and completing this straightforward task. Remember, keeping your account details up to date helps in ensuring a smoother, more secure experience online. Don't hesitate to explore the other settings within your Google account to tailor your experience further. Until next time, keep exploring and stay secure online.